Okay, here we are. This is the sun right here. This is a typical magnetic sunspot. These are the loops. This one looks to be like it's almost ready to do a CME. Okay, my theory, my wild guess, is that there's a blob of matter just inside the surface of the sun, and there's a corresponding magnetic field on the inside of the sun. That would be normal. Like if this were Earth, then you would see the magnetic field do this, North Pole, South Pole. It all works. It makes sense. Red spots, blue spots. Okay, so then what happens inside the sun? You've got your galactic current sheet coming through here, just like Ben Davidson would say. And it's coming and it's going to swipe through the sun. This is just my imagination. I'm not saying any of this is a fact or a conclusion. I'm just spitballing or having fun, really. So this galactic current sheet comes and it swipes through and it picks up all these globs of plasma, etc., and actually pushes them and sheds them off the sun. Okay. Now they're kind of floating around and hanging around. They're attracted to each other by their own gravity, and they're still in a plasma state. So, they have magnetic fields. Perhaps they agglomerate and combine into a planet, a new planet. Okay, so then here's the other portion of this theory of mine and how it works. This is the orbit of Jupiter. Here's Jupiter out here. Here's the sun right here. So as this is coming through the galactic current sheet, the reason it's not shoving Earth into a different orbit or destroying it or anything else is because it's just by pure luck, the Earth happens to be over here at the 9 o'clock position to the sun. And so the wave passes through it and causes all kinds of disturbances, but it doesn't push it out of its orbit or disturb it any more than that. Mars, on the other hand, is over here in this position where it can be pushed. And it is pushed closer to Jupiter. Jupiter rips it to shreds, and it becomes the Martian asteroid group.